Hi, books. It's like 2, 3 in the morning, girl, and I'm up trying to fix this wig, okay? Don't mind my braids, because they dusty a little bit. They've been in for about 2, 3 weeks, okay? Not too much on me. Anyways, I put on my glue, 2 to 3 layers. Y'all know the drill. Wait till it's clear and invisible before you put your wig on. So, y'all, I got this wig from the back of my closet. I was not playing. Your girl was on a budget and still is on a budget. And I'm like, let me see if I can revive one of my wigs. Because honestly, nothing was wrong with this wig. It's just the frontal just looked a little chewed up. So right here, you see me creating a new hairline. Because this one just looks so ate up and just crazy. So here we just gonna brush out the curls. Y'all know the drill, bottom to the top for less shedding. Then I'm gonna hot comb through the frontal. So the frontal was dry. I was struggling. The frontal was balding, shedding, and things like that. So that's where, you know, this whole wig was. It was a nice wig, but the frontal was the issue. So I'm just going through hot combing. And I don't notice how I don't take the comb all the way through just to reduce the pulling and the tension from, you know, creating more bald spots. So right here, I had to work with absolutely nothing. I couldn't even see, girl. I'm just like, where is the part? So I had to make one and, you know, be a little delusional about it and make me a part out of nothing. And then I'm going to add some concealer and pluck it, you know, to make it more visible. Y'all know the routine. You know the routine. Then I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, black eyeliner. Go in, fill in the spots where I'm balding at, around that part I created. Then you'll see me go in with mascara just to clean up, fill in anything I may have missed, and, you know, just make it a little bit more sharper and neater on the top. I took my band off, and then I'm going to apply the concealer around the hairline we created. So this next clip did not get recorded, but the hair that you see in the front, I actually ripped that hair out, but I keep my side edges. It just made it look more natural. I don't want edges on both sides. It's a side part, so I just wanted side edges. And, you know, it just made it look better. And also, y'all, when I was finished, I did go back in with my red Eben spray, sprayed the lace, let it kind of dry, semi-dry. Then I applied my band and melted it again. Here you see me just plucking the baby hairs a little bit. Same routine as if you had a new wig. And then I go in and revive my curls, just using water and scrunching with my hands. And then I'm just gonna pull the hair out a little bit just to give it a little bit more density. And that's basically it, girl. We did it, girl. Like, I'm ready for tomorrow now. Tell me I didn't finesse this wig, though. Yeah, okay.